Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your purchase history on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Steam support multiplayer gaming, automatic updating, cloud store, and social aspects such as friends list and in-game voice. The Steamworks programming interface lets developers integrate Steam function into their games. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create Steam account, how to manage your account, how to add game to your wish list on Steam. And now, what if you want to check your purchase history on your Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Steam. And from here, you can just go to settings. You can select on the three lines over here. Now you can select on settings. You can tap on the upper right corner in the profile, and here you can just scroll down, select on account details. On account details, you can check your view your purchase history in here. There is an option view purchase history. You can select on that. So here's all your purchase history, what game that you just buy on Steam, and what transaction will be listed in here. It's very simple, right? You can check on your account details on your Steam account. You can check it on your mobile phone or with your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your purchase history on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!